Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You're watching Technoblend, and today we are going to talk about the most awaited smartphone of 2021, which is OnePlus 9 series. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about this smartphone. I'm very excited about it. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Finally, OnePlus has launched its OnePlus 9 series. They have launched two smartphones in this series. There are gonna be OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. They have made lot of promises about OnePlus 9 series. Let's quickly move ahead and see whether they have fulfilled these promises or not, starting with the performance factor of these smartphones. Talking about the performance factor of both this smartphone are gonna come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor, which is the latest processor by Qualcomm in the market. They have provided the best processor for you in the OnePlus 9 series. The talking about the multitasking and gaming experience, it is gonna be seamless, because there is no doubt that there is no other processor basically that will provide you a seamless experience rather than Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G. And both these smartphones are gonna support 5G network. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the display part of both these smartphones. Talking about the display part of both this smartphone are gonna come with Fluid AMOLED display. In OnePlus 9 you will get an 6.55 inch of display. On the other side, the OnePlus 9 Pro, you will get an 6.7 inch of display. Both these smartphones are gonna provide you with 120 Hz of refresh rate, so your gaming experience and multitasking experience is going to be superb and very seamless. Talking about the display part, both these displays support sRGB and both the display are P3. In OnePlus 9 Pro, you will get more detailed color analysis than OnePlus 9, because it is coming up with 10-bit color depth. So let's move ahead and talk about the camera part, the most important part and most what can I say, the most amazing part of about this smartphone, what I feel, and the focus is totally on the camera part. Let's move ahead and talk about the camera part. Talking about the camera part and the most amazing part about OnePlus 9 series, both this smartphone are gonna come with Hazel Blade camera. In OnePlus 9 you will get an 48 megapixel of main camera, ultra wide camera will be of 50 megapixel and monochrome camera will be of 2 megapixel. Talking about the OnePlus 9 Pro, you will get a same feature, like main camera will be of 48 megapixel, ultra wide camera will be of 50 megapixel. You will get a telephoto camera lens which will be of 8 megapixel with monochrome camera which will be of 2 megapixel. From OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro are gonna shoot your videos in 8K. So don't worry, you will get an amazing clarity about this smartphone. You can shoot your videos in 8K, 4K, and they have provided an extreme setting like a DSLR in this smartphone, so you can set ISO and everything about DSLR by this smartphone itself, and you can shoot a movie like video from this smartphone. Talking about the selfie camera, on both the smartphone you will get an 16 megapixel of selfie camera which will provide you with 1080p of video by 30 fps. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the other features in camera. This camera is gonna support night mode as usual. Other than that, this camera you will get an dual LED flash, multi autofocus in this camera. You will get other features like night escape, super macro, ultra short HDR, smart scene recognition, portrait mode, pro mode, panorama, tilt shift mode, focus peaking, cat dog face focus, raw file, filters, super stable, video night escape, video HDR, video portrait, focus tracking and time lapse and hyperlapse. Okay, I need to take a breath. These are all the features you will get in camera itself. Isn't it amazing? Means I think you are amazed about this. Please let me know in the comment box what do you think about the camera of OnePlus 9 series. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the most important part of any high usage smartphone, or I can say heavy usage processor smartphone, talking about the battery part. Talking about the battery part, both the smartphone are coming up with 4000 mAh of battery, and they have been provided with 65 volt of wrap charger, which is gonna charge your smartphone 0 to 70% around less than 30 minutes. In OnePlus 9 Pro, you can also buy a wireless charger. OnePlus 9 Pro is gonna support 50 volt of wireless charging. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about some additional features about these smartphones. Talking about additional features about OnePlus 9 series, there are so many additional features, like in both the smartphone you will get an dual stereo speaker, which is gonna come with noise cancellation and Dolby Atmos. Talking about the sensors provided in both the smartphone, you will get an accelerometer, in-display fingerprint sensor, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, sensor core, electronic compass, flick detect sensor. And in OnePlus 9 Pro, you will get one additional feature, which is gonna be front RGB sensor, which is gonna provide you with high quality images in poor lighting. Along with this, all you in both this smartphone you will get NFC enabled, so you can make your card payment or any other payment very easily through these smartphones. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the variants provided in OnePlus 9 series. Talking about the variants provided in both the smartphone, you will get an 8GB RAM and 12GB RAM of variant with 128GB and 256GB of storage on both the smartphone. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the colors provided in both the smartphones. Talking about the colors provided on both the smartphone, in OnePlus 9 you will get three colors, which are going to be Arctic Sky, Astral Black and Winter Mist. On the other side, the OnePlus 9 Pro is also coming up with three colors, which are going to be Pine Green, Stellar Black and Morning Mist. Let's move ahead and talk about the in-box content. Talking about the inbox content of OnePlus 9 series, you will get the respective smartphone, which is either gonna be OnePlus 9 5G or OnePlus 9 Pro 5G, with a wrap charge 65 power adapter, wrap charge Type-C cable, a quick start guide, welcome letter, safety information and warranty card. Along with this all, you will get a logo sticker, a case, screen protector and SIM tray ejector. This is all about today's video. What do you think about OnePlus 9 series? Are you going for this smartphone or not? Which of this smartphone are you thinking of? Please let me know in the comment box. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata bye bye.